call from a lady. She's having a problem with the hot water flow at her house. One of some of the faucets said she's having a problem with the hot water flow. So we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. Said the hot and the cold are both kind of wimpy, so we'll check it out for her. That's Molly. That's my friend Miss Molly. Yeah, that's my friend Miss Molly. Yeah. Oh yeah, the hot, definitely, huh?
Yeah. Okay, come here. Go lie down. Go on, go lie down. Good girl.
Yeah, I guess like cholesterol in there. That thing's open all the way.
Yeah.
Is it hot throughout the whole house the same? Or just...
All of the water pressure is, except for the bathtub, even the showers are slower than they used to be.
On the hot. Everything's on the hot. Every hot is a... Let's look at that.
No,
It could just be in this faucet. Let's take a look at that if you don't mind.
No, go right ahead.
Is there more?
Yep.
Well, they're all upstairs.
No, there's a bathroom right here. Straight ahead. Yep. I'll get the light.
Oh, so this hot and this cold is the same, so this is fine. So it's not in the main.
Oh, good.
You know what I'm saying?
Sometimes it's like the charge and you have to do it twice. Like that one, specifically.
That all went down fine. Might want to hold the handle when you flush it. Just hold the handle for a second, you know.
Okay.
That might be what the issue is. You don't hear it running or nothing, right?
No.
Well, it's all the way up to the top when it shut off, so. I wouldn't steer you wrong. That one in the kitchen, yeah, we'll see what we could do with that, but this is fine. Upstairs is the same.
It's the same.
I mean, they're both. You want me to look at it while I'm here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, I got the shot because everybody's asking me about it. So
What'd you get, J&J?
I got the Pfizer.
Okay, that's what I got.
I work for a lot of old people, so this is fine. There's nothing wrong with this.
All right.
I mean, that's standard. Well, you're putting baby wipes down there. That's probably what your problem
No,
is.
I don't. Well,
What's that in there? That's a baby wipe.
It's a baby wipe in there.
You're saying you don't. Oh, that's a power flusher.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you're not supposed to use the baby wipes, just so you know.
I rarely put them in. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, what's going to happen is then baby wipes are going to get inside the drain and you're not going to be able to get them out.
Okay.
They don't dissolve in water.
You stay. Do you want to look at the other bathroom while you're here?
Yeah.
Buckley said
He's a good dog, huh?
he's 11 years old.
Too bad people couldn't be as nice as dogs.
You're right.
Ain't that a good statement, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this flow, so
Okay.
that's what my main concern was.
Do you change stuff?
If it needs it, I mean, everything seems okay.
All right. You know the shower in that other bathroom. It's sort of like corroded.
Oh yeah, I can put new parts on there if you want.
Yeah.
I mean the face plate.
You stay. Yes.
What's getting corroded here?
Well, I think it is when I use it.
Just soap scum. Just clean it off with a little bit of. That's from your soap on the rope there.
Don't turn it on.
No, I'm not going to. I'm standing in here. I think you could just clean it. I mean, it's all the writing is fine. It's just soap scum.
For God's sake.
See it?
Yeah.
All you gotta do is just get a rag and clean it when you're in here. Bring yourself a rag in here.
Yeah.
When it's wet, wipe it down. It's just soap. It'll be shining up like crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, that's from that soap on the rope there, see it?
Yep. So it's just the kitchen is the problem.
That's all. I think it just needs a cleaning, because look at it. It shines right up. I don't want to sell you something you don't need. That's fine.
Okay.
Alright, come on, buddy.
You still have a dog?
Yeah, I got a dog. Come on, watch out, buddy.
A little guy? Buckley, get downstairs.
Yeah,
Buckley,
she's only 6 pounds.
Buckley, go.
How
Buckley,
heavy is
go.
Buckley?
Buckley.
How heavy? 100 pounds?
Oh, no.
90?
Maybe. Buckley, go.
Come on, Buckley.
Buckley, go.
Go ahead.
Buckley, go.
Go ahead. I think he's waiting for you.
He is. Come on, Buckley.
That's what you gotta do, is find a guy to follow you around like that, huh?
Yeah, you got it. Buckley, you got it. Good point, Steve.
Yeah, I know it. I just was with Steiner. I was telling him the same thing. You got a dog following him all around. I said, you gotta find yourself a chick to do that.
Yeah.
He laughs.
He's never gonna do that.
Yeah, so out of all the faucets, this is the only one they're having a problem with on the hot. So we'll disconnect it here. Let's hope it's in the shut-off, but most of the time it's in the faucet. And if I try to clean it out, the cholesterol that's in the faucet, I'll make it worse and it won't flow at all.
Cholesterol, really?
Yeah, it gets like, it's like white slimy stuff that gets in there. It's like deposits, mineral deposits.
Right.
I call it cholesterol because it looks white.
Right.
And it blocks it.
Right.
But it's like a mineral deposit, like a lime or something, or
Yeah.
and it happens everywhere around here. Whether you have a well or city water, it don't matter.
You know, this used to be a farm, and there are wells all over this place. None of which
I didn't know that.
are being used. But there might be like 10 wells here on this property. But this is all garden water.
This is all Dartmouth. Yeah, I got Dartmouth water. Same thing happens at my house.
Yeah, right. I don't know.
If you even had the well, it's still, because Dartmouth has well fields.
Right.
So it's actually well water from Dartmouth. It comes from well fields, so it's coming out of the ground,
Right.
and it's still the same thing.
Do they put a lot of chemicals in it?
Huh?
Do they put a lot of chemicals in the water?
They put some stuff in there, I mean. It's just, it is what it is.
You know, Joan Underwood in Northwood?
Huh?
In Northwood, there's a woman, Joan Underwood, whose plumber told her that she had to, she was sick.
Yeah, you could see it all in there.
Put a whole new filtration.
You could see all the cholesterol in there. Yeah. You want to look at it?
No. I trust you.
I'm gonna make sure we're getting a good flow out of that, but I know what the problem is already. It's a common problem in this area. If I'm getting a good flow out of this faucet, there's really not much I can do about it. Like I said, if I take the faucet all apart and try to clean it, a lot of times I'll make it worse. Then I'll piss the people off. Now they got no water.
Yeah, I can see it. It's too far.
Let's hope it's in the shut-off. No, I could open it up a lot more than that too, so it's not, it's in the faucet.
That faucet's not got a hole.
I don't want to take it apart and try cleaning it and make things worse for you, right?
Yeah.
So what you're gonna have to do is, unfortunately, you're gonna have to get another faucet. You can see it's in there, the cholesterol, so. You don't want to look at it?
Well, I will. I can't get down on my knees.
Yeah. Well, let me take a picture with the phone. How's that sound?
Okay. I got it. People just text you all day long.
You don't like the text thing?
Check. We're able to talk to somebody in person and all these. Then they have to ask. Yeah.
See that white stuff?
Crap. Yep.
It gets in there and it's like a cholesterol buildup.
Yep.
and it's throughout the faucet. So if I go to try to clean that out, what happens is it loosens it up, and a lot of times it'll push it in further, and it'll block the flow completely. So I've tried it a bunch of times, tried to see if I could clean them, and I make it worse.
So,
and then people get pissed. Oh, it was fine before you got here. So when it gets to this point, I don't even want to touch it because I don't want to make it worse. Then you're pissed at me.
So when you say I need a new faucet, I thought you meant here. You mean down below?
Because the cold is working fine.
Yes.
It's just the hot side.
Yes.
So I don't know where this blockage is. It's somewhere it's somewhere.
Yes.
You know? And like I said, if I try cleaning it, and all of a sudden I loosen it up and it goes in the faucet worse.
So can you get a new faucet, or do I have to go get a new faucet?
I ain't gonna be able to get one like this. This is copper.
Yeah, I know.
You want a copper one?
Yeah.
You're gonna need to get one. Yeah, you have to order it then. Order it, and I'll put it in for you. Okay?
If I can get one.
Oh, why do you want the copper one? You like it?
Yeah, those are the kitchen.
We'll get it, and I'll put it in for you. Hello, can I help you?
Hey, Steve.
Who is it?
Don Quit.
Oh yeah, I went over there to look at that job, and you're gonna have to pull that whole ceiling area apart so I can get in there to fix that.
Yeah, I was there. I went out there yesterday, and I took that access panel down. And
well, you're gonna need more than that to get up in there. And I mean, that little access panel it's not even close to where that line is, and I can't solder next to that because that's lead.
Well, I thought we were gonna do PEX.
No matter, you're still gonna solder next to the thing. I can't get in there with that roof the way it is.
So I took the access panel down. And
the access panel's not enough access to that.
Pardon?
The little access panel's not going to be enough for me to get up there and get way over to where the other thing is.
Well, you don't have to. You cut it right at the access panel, and then you just run your PEX from point A to point B.
Is it right there where the access panel is? That line?
Line's right there. Yeah.
Are you sure there's not? There's a whole bunch of other stuff above there.
I'm 100% positive.
Well, if I could,
You can see everything. You can see the hot water, the cold water.
And it's right.
everything.
It's right there by that access panel.
It is, yes.
All right. Well, then that shouldn't be an easy. That should be an easy fix. I could cut it on a riser going up, put a PEX adapter, and run PEX over there. Then.
Right. You cut it. There's actually a T, right? So it comes up from below, and there's a T, and the T. And then it continues up to the bathroom, and then that T heads off to the sink. It continues up to the bathtub, put it that way.
As long as I can get to it. I didn't open up none of them panels. I looked at that and said, this is a shit show.
Yeah.
Who was the ding-a-ling that winterized that house? Was it you?
Yeah.
Oh, it was.
I've done this for 25 years, and I've never had a problem there.
Well, obviously the water's still in there. I don't know what happened, so.
Right.